More and more consumers shifted to online shopping, thus, they become the main target of fraudsters. The online merchants cannot see their consumers and are vulnerable to fraudsters who mask their identities. Ever since onboarding Veri-id, HiTRUST ensures your transactions are genuine and safe. Veri-id uses machine learning technology to accurately identify devices and predict transaction risks. With nearly 200 characteristics of devices and transactions collected, Veri-id can also compare cases with past behaviors. The AI models calculate risk scores separately for each scenario. Hence, low-risk transactions can be completed smoothly without additional authentication. If there are fraudsters hiding among the usual consumers, Veri-id will detect many risk factors to find them. For example, TOR connection, IP blacklisting, or too many card numbers associated with the same device. In addition, the outcome of fraud device model shows abnormality, which means that it is very likely being operated by a fraudster. Within the fraud device model, there are many device-related risk scenarios. For instance, a single device or a single IP address is submitting a large number of transactions, or a fraudster is simulating multiple devices and constantly changing IPs, pretending to be different consumers shopping. The model can also distinguish whether it is human operation or an attack script from robots, done by observing the trajectory and acceleration of the mouse and the rhythm of typing to see if it matches human behavior. Veri-id collects a large amount of device information and through machine learning trains the model to distinguish normal and abnormal equipments, ensuring accurate risk predictions. For high-risk transactions, a customized risk strategy path can be preset to decide whether to reject the transaction or perform additional authentication. In addition to the OTP, Veri-id also supports FIDO as an authentication method, using biometric to confirm the identity. As the fraudster fails to pass authentication, the attack is stopped by Veri-id. Use Veri-id to protect online transactions and build a more trustworthy financial ecosystem with us today.